AVMATRIX is specialized in processing high-definition video signals for years. It's a high-tech enterprise involved in design, developing, manufacturing and marketing of professional video processing system. Due to our own powerful R&D team, we have developed and produced a series of pro video devices such as multi-viewer, signal converter, matrix switcher, optical fiber converter, distribution amplifier, etc. Our products are widely used in broadcast television, video conference, digital medical, security, education, industry and other video applications. First, it is our converter series. Mini SC1112 and Mini SC1221 pocket size converter. Mini SC1112 is for converting from 3G SDI to HDMI, while Mini SC1221 is for HDMI to SDI. Both of them are supported up to 1080p 60 and fully complied with SMPTE standard. With the rugged and miniature design, it is very convenient for your indoors and outdoors application. The special detachable mounting bracket is available for your wall mounting. You can power it anywhere by micro USB with power bank, laptop or computer, which can meet your requirement for 24-hour uninterrupted working time. Based on the pocket size converter, we have an updating version scaling converter for your conversion between 3G SDI, HDMI and AV signal, SC1120 and SC2031. Some functions have been added including up and down scaling and frame rate conversion. Input signal is auto-detected. AES, EBU digital audio and analog audio can be embedded and de-embedded. All the functions can be easily controlled over DIP switches and PC software via a USB. Then, it is MV0430 SDI quad-split multi-viewer. With 4 channels of SDI inputs, both SDI and HDMI output is available at the same time. From 720p 25 to 1080p 60, total 11 signal output formats are supported for users' choices. It provides 16 group preset layouts, including frequently used modes like quad split, full screen, PIP and POP mode. In each individual window, users can set the size and position of UMD and audio meter overlay. MV0430 can be controlled by DIP switches. It is very convenient. It also can be controlled by PC software via LAN port and keyboard via a USB. MSS0811 is a super compact 1RU8x8 3G SDI matrix switcher. The super compact 1RU format is just a few inches deep, making them a perfect fit for any broadcast, production, or post-production environment. It includes multi-format technology so it can auto-detect multiple video format sources of SD, HD, 3G SDI, level A and B, and DVB-SC signal at the same time. The design of dual redundant power supplies ensures the highest signal quality even in the unexpected event of a power supply failure. There are 3 ways for controlling MSS0811: front panel button, keyboard via USB and PC software via LAN or RS-232. FE1121 3G SDI Fiber Optic Extender Set. FE1121 is a transmitter and receiver kit which support up to 20 km transmission. The fiber extender uses hot pluggable SFP design with LC connector. You can replace the module anytime and anywhere. Equalized on the SDI input and reclocking on the SDI outputs to maximize performance up to 120 m for 3G. SD1141 is a 1x4 SDI reclocking distribution amplifier. SD1141 is a compact, 1-input, 4-outputs distribution amplifier for SDI signals up to 1080p 60 Hz. Output 2 and Output 4 support DVB-ASI signal. It include built-in SDI reclocking and equalization to reduce SDI jitter and improve SDI pattern and allow longer cable lengths. It is ideal for use in broadcast and video production facilities, command and control centers, medical imaging facilities, rental and staging, and other applications. Thank you for watching.